In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a folder on Google Drive to ensure your files are kept secure and only accessible to those you specifically choose. This quick and straightforward process will help you maintain the privacy of your important documents and ensure that only the right people can open and view your files. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and direct it to Google Drive. Simply type in https://drive.google.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a list of all your files and folders neatly organized. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific folder you want to secure. Once you've identified the folder, place your cursor over it and right-click. This is your gateway to a variety of useful options, but our focus today is on the sharing settings. Click on the Share option from the pop-up menu. This will open a new window that showcases the current sharing settings of your folder. In this new window, you'll need to pay attention to a section labeled General Access. This is the key area where you can manage who gets to see your folder. There'll be a drop-down menu right there, which typically defaults to having broader access settings, often allowing anyone with the link to view or edit. To tighten the security on your folder, click on this drop-down menu and change the setting to Restricted. By doing this, you ensure that now only the people you manually add will be able to access the folder. This is a crucial step in securing your files. Now, if this folder was previously shared with other people, you might see some names of individuals who already have access. It's important to remove any unwanted access, so next to each person's name whom you wish to remove, simply click the trash or bin icon. This action will revoke their access and ensure they no longer have the ability to see your content. Finally, look towards the bottom of this window and click Save or Done to confirm your settings. This saves all the changes you've implemented, effectively locking your folder. Now, rest assured, your folder is secure and no one else will be able to access it unless you grant them explicit permission. And there you have it. Your folder is now locked and you have complete control over who can access it. Remember, maintaining the security of your digital files is always a good practice, especially when dealing with sensitive information. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips like these.